Hey, Brainrot fans! Ready to design your dream chaos home? Welcome to Fizzy Quiz, where fun meets the world of memes. Today we're playing Would You Rather Build Your Brainrot Animals House. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss a single silly challenge. Let's get started. Would you rather choose the left, middle, or right one? Which bathroom would you like to pick? Which toilet fits your vibe? Which living room would you rather stay in? Which sofa gets the VIP spot in your ultimate living room? Which bedroom wins your heart? Which gaming chair are you sinking into? Which of these water parks feels like paradise to you? The left, the middle, or the right one? How do you want your breakfast table style? Pick your favorite magical fridge. The left, middle, or the right one? Choose an adventure bag. Buri Buri Bikus Dickus, Boneka Ambalabu, or Tung Tung Sahur. Which pet bed would your dragon cat love more? What kind of cup would you drink coffee from every morning? Which massage chair has the ultimate vibe? Which bookshelf would make you smarter just by standing next to it? Which pillow talks back with bedtime stories? Which is the best fireplace? Choose your dream dog's house design. Tung Tung Sahur House, Chimpanzini Bananini House, or the Ballerina House. What kind of bed fits your dream life? Which lamp gives the coziest glow? Let's see which keychain catches your eyes the most. Left, middle, or the right one? Pick a dream couch. Choose your favorite toy, left, middle, or the right one. How do you want your jacuzzi style? Which phone case are you rocking? Pick a nightstand design that you like the most. Which bathtub sings lullabies while you soak? Choose your fantasy laundry machine. Which rug is the softest cloud ever? Which coffee table tells stories, left, right, or the middle one? Awesome picks, brain rot lover. Did your dream house turn out chaotic or cozy? If you enjoyed with us, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Tap the next video to keep the brain rot madness going.